Hi Gen Mix, this is Angela Ken, and this is Mix, the beat of our culture.
2 years ago, 2024. Tapos, nasa-stress ako kasi hindi ko alam kung ano pang mga pwede kong isulat. Dumating ako sa point na parang ano tawag doon? Writer's block. Yon. And then, nasa Skyway kami na ni Patrick. Rant lang ako ng rant sa kanya. Actually, umiiyak ata ako. Hindi ko alam. Tapos, nakatingin ako sa labas. Sabi ko, parang okay na yun. Okay na siya ako naman muna. Yun na yun. Ganyan. Mag-ano na ako, school life na lang ako. And then sabi niya, ano bang kailangan mo? Ano bang bumabagabag sa'yo? Ganyan. And then sabi ko, parang wala na kasi ako masulat na maayos. Parang paulit-ulit na lang. Tulungan kita. Hindi siya writer ha. I just realized the things you do for love, you will do it.
Panahon EP is an EP based on songs that transcends through time and season. Kasi 'di ba, dalawang meaning ng panahon sa Tagalog. It can be time, it can be season, and this song talks about different types of love that you give to a person or that you experience through season and time. Nag-start talaga siya, yung pinaka parang pinagmulan niya is pinagtibay ka ng panahon. And para makadating ka dun sa puntong pinagtibay ka ng panahon, ano yung mga kailangan mong ma-experience. So, yun yung mga maririnig nila sa loob ng EP. It's really an EP. We really want, me and Tarsier want to stick with EP muna. Never pa ako nagkaroon ng EP. So, I wanted na, I did an album, pero yung album kasi is like a compilation of my first ever songs. Kaya it's an Angela Ken album. Pero yung something na may depth talaga, na may storyline behind it, ito yung simula niya. Kaya, I wanted to be very short, simple, but may lalim, may bitaw. Yan. Sa totoo lang po, halo-halo kasi. Halo-halo siya. Like, merong lyrics sa isang kanta na based sa experience ko, based sa experience ng kaibigan ko, based sa napapansin ko, sa nababasa ko, napapanood ko. So, it's really a mix of real and fictional stories that I observe or that I experience through time. A fun fact is, marami pinagdaanan si Panahon EP. May mga tinanggal na tracks na parang hindi pa nila time. May mga tweaks, may mga binago, may mga inulit from the very beginning. So, madami talagang pinagdaanan si Panahon. From ako naman muna talaga, ever since I released Ako Naman Muna, I've heard, seen, read a lot of real stories from different kinds of people, from strangers, honestly, na grabe yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. And music has been such a big help for them. Music has been an embrace, has been their shoulder to cry on. So after knowing those stories, those are like my fuel to do more, to be more real in everything that I write, to just release, not just because it's my passion, not just because it's what I want to do, but it's what people also deserve to hear and to realize as well. So,
It's very different kasi this song is about a certain love, pero the relationship you have with this person is uncertain. So, kaya siya kulimlim, gloomy, di ba? Hindi natin alam pag makulimlim ang mga ulap, hindi natin alam kung aambon, hindi natin alam kung uulan, o dadaan lang siya. Like, okay, makulimlim lang. And that also is the reason why I chose that na aligned with love. There will be times na there's a person who will enter our lives na pwede tayong paambunan ng kilig, pwede tayong buhusan or paulanan ng pagmamahal.
Kulimlim is the first track na na-release. Pero hindi siya yung unang track sa EP. Ang hirap din kasi nung time na yon didiskusyon na namin sinong unang ilalabas. At hindi pa alam ng mga tao na EP siya. So, nung na-reach ni Kulimlim yung milestone na yun, of course, I'm very, very happy for her. Tinuturon ko kasi yung mga kanta ko ng mga anak ko. Kasi hindi naman din sila darating sa point na i-release sila kung hindi sila pinaghandaan at pinag-isipan. So, I'm very, very happy na naabot ni Kulimlim yun. And I am very, very sure and confident na nagsisimula pa lang. Lalo na pag na-release si Panahon, it's gonna be a story again. So, they need to listen to every detail of every song. Sobrang swabe. Nung iniisip ko pa lang na gusto kong may collab sa EP na to. Sinabi ko sa kanya to at sabi ko, uy, walang eme to ha. Totoong ikaw yung una kong naisip na sama ko sa isang track for Panahon EP. Piniem ko po siya. Sabi ko talaga, nung natapos ko yung demo, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng kaduet dito. Kasi hindi pa po siya like tapos. Kasi I co-wrote it with him. We finished it together. Sabi ko, sobrang perfect kasi music-wise, we're quite similar. Storytelling, similar. Genre, similar. So, talagang I see him as a brother na same kami ng path na nilalakaran na, oh, tara, sabay tayo. Sulat tayo ng kanta. Not just for love, but for life. And sobrang swabe. The writing process, nasa kapihan lang kami. Sabi ko, ano masasabi mo dito? Anong bato mo dito? Parang ako ito, ganyan. And then bato-bato siya ng mga lyrics niya. And then sabi ko, oh, okay to. Paano kung ito? Ganyan. As in, sobrang collaborative. And I love how it's very genuine and comfortable to work with him. And also Kuya Ken Ponce, isa sa mga producers ko. Actually, all of my producers in Panahon EP were very chill. And I'm very grateful and blessed that God allowed me to be surrounded with people who are also in line with the purpose or the craft that I'm in.
Ano po? Mix, paano next time po yun?
Joke lang. I've been very vocal on exploring my music, my craft. That connects with collaborating with other people. Ang bungad ko nga po this 2026 was a collaboration with Over October. I hope people will be excited sa release ko naman for Panahon, collaboration with John Roberts. Yun pa lang masasabi ko. Yun pa lang po. Pero yun, sobrang excited ako sa 2026. Sa mga paparating pang buwan. Basta malalaman yun sa tamang panahon. Yes! When it comes to being hands-on, ever since, simula pa lang naman. Pero kasi doon ako nag-grow sa mga nakapaligid sa akin, sa mga natulong sa akin, sa nag-guide sa akin. And as years pass, doon ko na-realize na may personality ako na gusto ko alam ko lahat as an artist, like from promo, marketing, as in sa lahat, gusto ko po may alam ko. Para lahat kami, pare-parehas din align kaming lahat. So, that's one. And second is, of course, there are people who helped me all throughout this journey. And I will always be grateful for all of them, from my team, from the management, from the label, from, OneMM, Star Magic, Tarsier, of course, my bosses, my team, from kahit sa mga interns, I'm always grateful to everyone kasi lahat naman ng to naging ganito because of them. They're like parts of the puzzle. And kung kulang ng isa or kulang ng kahit isang katiting na edit doon, kung hindi siya nangyari, hindi mabubuo tong panahon.
Kung alam mo lang ng iyong ngalan ang pinanggagalingan ng lahat ng daigdigan.
Siguro yung mga memorable sa akin were the silent breakdowns. Of course, hindi mo naman yun sasabihin sa mga tao. Hindi mo yun sasabihin sa mga angels, sa mga supporters mo. Pero kasi yun yung nagpapaganda, nagpapalalim palalo sa artistry mo as a person also. Na hindi lang naman to based sa art It's based on life. Na kung hindi ka madadapa, hindi ka naman matututo. Kung hindi ka nagkamali, hindi mo marirealize kung ano yung mali. So, ayun, may mga challenges, of course. Challenges are inevitable when you want a good outcome. Again, it was a journey. Kahit yung paglatag ng story, alam nila, ng team ko yan, nila Jello, na ang daming binago din. Pero yung core naman niya, yun naman yun hindi siya nagsimula sa core, pero pag nakuha mo na kasi yung core nun, magbo-blossom na lahat. Everything will follow. And knowing that your heart is at the right phase also. Napaka-importante nun na hindi ka lang gumagawa ng musika, hindi ka lang gumagawa ng storya para lang sa sarili mo. But you're doing that because people also resonate to the story that you're sharing. Ako, firm ako sa branding or sa purpose ng mga songs ko, kahit outside Panahon EP. I want them to feel a warm embrace. Kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng buhay, iba-iba tayong klase ng tao. So kahit sabihin kong, love song yan. Pero ang na-feel mo doon, it's a self-love na kanta or anthem mo yun para sa sarili mo. Hindi ko yun maalis sa'yo. It's your right. I want people to hear my songs inside or outside Panahon EP as a realization that being human is a beautiful thing. You know, downfalls are unexpected, disappointments, sadness, everything. Everything naman, some of the things you can't control will still happen. Pero that's part of it na hindi ka mapapagtibay ng panahon kung hindi mo siya pagdadaanan isa-isa. Hi, Gen Mix! Again, this is Angela Ken. Maraming salamat po. Sana narinig nyo lahat ng mga chikahan namin kanina. Please do listen to my first ever EP Panahon. It has 6 tracks. And sana magustuhan nyo. Sana ma-feel nyo yung mga feelings na hindi nyo malabas-labas sa puso nyo. And I can assure you that that's part of life. And I'm also here for you guys. So maraming salamat po!